Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today, very cute yung topic natin. I-share ko sa inyo my new bought mini fridge for my skincare. So yeah guys, I'm kind of late. Last year pa to uso, diba? Last year to naging in demand mini fridge for your skincare. But because ang mahal niya last year, nag-range siya ng $60 to $100. And of course, I won't spend that much for a mini fridge or not really necessary stuff. So, ngayon, try natin dahil nakachamba ako ng murang mini fridge, guys. So, let's go, guys. Simulan natin. Let's go.
Do you wanna know?
Okay, guys. We're gonna open this. Ito yung itutuloy ko next time. But let's see. Now, can you hold this like this? Or take video of it?
Yay!
Don't move too much. Another box again.
Oh my. This is Mommy's vlog. I'm the one who's talking. What's my name, Mom? My name is Gideon. I'm excited. You do it, Mom. I don't want to forget.
So, the first thing na gagawin natin, guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung nagkasya sa mini fridge. So, first, i-avoid nyo yung mga oil skincare kasi mamumuo siya kung may kung mantika or oil yung ingredients ng skincare nyo. So, I put some face cream, eye cream. I have here this one. And then my hand cream. And then this one, my jade roller. And then face cream, moisturizer. Also have here my face mask, which I don't really use kasi nakaka-pimple tong SK2. I have the lotion, hand cream. This one was a gift lang. And my serum is whitening serum kasi nagpapaputi ako ng face ngayon dahil medyo nagda-dark siya, sabi ng anak ko. And I got the Chanel mist. So, yan lang yung nagkasya. And if you want a bigger one, hindi siya kasya, guys. So, I was also using this. Masarap sana sa pakiramdam kong gel. But it doesn't fit unless I'm gonna remove this divider para magkasya siya. So, yeah. Masarap din yung feeling. And, guys, tinry ko siya last night. Last night. I tried last night. Iba yung feeling niya, guys. Pag malamig. Grabe ang sarap ng pakiramdam pag malamig yung... So, right now, it's on. So, I'm gonna close it. And I'm gonna tell you guys what are the benefits of having a mini fridge. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Disaksak siya. And you can also carry it somewhere and you can plug it kung... And then, yung likod niya, may switch siya na meron siyang on and off. Let me see if I can show you guys. Ayan, guys. May on and off. Some have the, yung tawag dito. Some have the car plug. Pero ito wala akong na-receive na car, pang connect sa car. So, hindi ko siya madadala sa car. Wala akong line. Ito lang yung na-receive ko nung binali ko siya, guys. So, ganyan siya. Ganyan siya kaganda. Ganyan siya ka-cute. Yung ibang mini fridge na makikita mo sa, meron dito. But this one, I think it doesn't really, is specifically made for skincare. Siguro pang drinks to. So, wala siya yung, dito, yung parang lalagyanan ng face mask. So, pero since ito yung mura, yan na lang din yung binili ko. I didn't get pink kasi parang super girly na pag puro pink yung gamit ko dito. So, I decided na blue naman, maiba naman. Puro pink na lang yung gamit ko. Ayoko naman ng super girly lahat ng gamit. So, yun. What we're going to do next is share ko sa inyo what are the benefits. Let's go! So, this one, I got it from eBay for $29. And pag napagsawaan ko na siya, I might sell it kasi I'm the kind of person, guys, na hindi nagtatabi ng gamit or hindi ako yung masyadong sentimental na tao na tabi ng gamit kasi I'm more on minimal stuff. So, pag ayoko na, binibenta ko kagad. Ganun ako. For example, hindi ko na siya kailangan, hindi ko siya tinatabi for like, I'm thinking that I might need it na someday. Hindi ako ganun. I'm more on after maybe 3 months, if I don't need it, I have to get rid of it. Dahil ayoko nung masyadong maraming gamit sa bahay. So, yun. So, first, I'm gonna share guys kung ano what are the benefits having a mini fridge skincare. First, guys, it number one, it increases the longevity of your products. So, mas tumatagal yung shelf life niya or mas tumatagal yung buhay niya, guys. Hindi siya agad na expired pag nasa loob ng malamig. It's like food, 'di ba? Pag nilagay mo sa ref is tumatagal yung buhay niya, hindi siya agad napapanis. So same thing with the skincare. Lalo na pag malamig yung temperature, so mas humahaba yung buhay ng skincare niyo. Number 2, guys, it prevent the growth of the bacteria or the fungus. So you don't want your skincare having a bacteria, lalo na kung madumi yung kamay mo, and then ginamit mong pangkuha sa face mask or sa face cream. So it helps also to prevent the bacteria putting inside the cold temperature ng mini fridge. Number 3, last but not the least, is it absorbs better on your skin, or the products better on your skin pag malamig siya. Oh my God, heaven guys. Nung tinry ko siya last night, ang sarap ng pakiramdam pala pag malamig. It's very different. Talagang different siya. I-try nyo yung hindi na fridge na skincare at i-try nyo yung na fridge na skincare. Actually guys, if your kitchen is closer to your room, or hindi ka na, kasi kami yung kitchen namin downstairs pa. So, upstairs is all room and the living room. Downstairs is the dirty kitchen, the garage, and then we have 2 rooms. So, nandun yung kusina namin. Yung kusina namin dito sa taas is not working. Matagal na kasi siya hindi nagamit. So, hindi namin siya ginagamit. It's just for display or whatever. So, ayun guys. So, mas advantage sa akin to have a mini fridge upstairs kasi hindi na ako bababa sa baba. Pero kung meron naman kayong ref, doon na lang ilagay para mas makatipid kayo sa kuryente, di ba? So, yun guys. It's pretty small itong nabili ko. Parang size lang ng ulo ko. And it's a good size for me. And it's all filled up na, as you guys can see. As you guys saw it na shinare ko sa inyo. And yun lang. That's pretty much it, guys. Yun lang yung share ko sa inyo for today, and that's all I have for you guys today. And if you guys have one, please comment down below what's your experience. Do you like it when the skincare is cold, or do you like it better when it's warm, or how's the feeling? Because for me, iba yung feeling niya pag malamig. Talagang nakaka-relax, and you should try and let me know how is it work for you yung skincare na pinalamig sa mini fridge. So that's it for today. That's all I have for you guys today. See you guys on my next vlog, and thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. This is Anne Ganda mo. See you guys on my next vlog. See ya.